Today I'm starting to wear a new system from New Lace CU. It just dropped today, which is great. Super thin skin, nice and comfortable, natural hairline. I will be showing it on later, so don't worry and make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, I've just shaved my head, done a nice skin fade on the side, which you can't really see at the moment. I've just done a one around there. And also, apologies for my shambolic camera skills. God, this is hurting my arm. Around the back, if you can see. So yeah, it should hopefully, doing it myself for the first time, blend in quite nicely with the hair on top. So we shall see. I'm also kind of excited because this is only the second time I've used a remote hairdresser where you send the system to them. You send them your specifications, how long you want it, what style you want, that kind of thing. Second time I'm doing it. The first time went pretty well. I did it last year. This time I've used the same guy based in Bristol. And yeah, we'll see how it all blends in. I'm going to basically fit it now, and I will speak to you very soon, later in the video.
So as you can see, I've got a brand new system on. This is a super thin skin. I've only actually ever worn one of these before, but there's a number of things I like about it. Number one, comfort. This system is so comfortable. By a million miles, it's the most comfortable system I've ever worn. You don't feel it when you're in bed, which you can do with some lace systems or a monofilament. It can get quite itchy, but with this system, you don't feel that at all. It just feels part of you. I really like that. I think as well with the super thin skin, as you can see, it does give a nice hairline. And with this particular New Lace CU system, it's a gradiated hairline. So it gives a much more natural appearance than what you might get with a stock system, where it's actually quite thick at the front, as thick as it is at the back. And that's what I like about these super thin skins, the fact that it does give quite a natural appearance. Of course, I think it's important to mention at this point that lace frontals do tend to give a slightly more natural appearance. So if you're looking to have your hair up a lot of the time in a quiff, that lace frontal can give a more unidentifiable front. But you know what? Super thin skins are still pretty good. They hold really well. I tend to use adhesive all over. I would not use a tape personally because it's such a fine base that it can actually tear, and I've had that in the past. So please guys, if you order a super thin skin from New Lace CU, use glue, do not use tape, please, because otherwise you'll be buying a new system after a couple of weeks. I find Ghost Bond really good. It holds really well. I think what Walker's Ultra Hold, I think as well, does a pretty good job. It doesn't tend to lift as often as the lace bases or the lace frontals either. So you can get away with not having to do a rebond as often as you would with a lace. That's all I've really got to say about it. I really like it. It's super comfortable, it feels super natural, I love the hairline that it gives. If you are interested in getting one of these systems, New Lace CU do stock them, so please head over to their website. The website will be in my description box, I'll put it somewhere on the page as well, and don't forget to enter the New Lace CU discount code, NewLaceCU20, that's with a capital N, and you can get 20% off your first system with them. If you're looking for something that's really nice to wear, undetectable, this is a system to go for. I will include a link to this particular system on their website in my description box, so please check that out, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll speak to you very soon. Take care for now.